G'day, it's Chris here from Dental Axess, and this is some really exciting VR technology that we can see at IDS 2019 in Cologne. And as you can see, someone's just wearing the goggles and they're physically using equipment to scan and also do chairside milling as well. So it's really exciting, and I'm going to have a go too, so I'll show you in a moment.
For you, give me it, see me, it's correct. Now, okay. Move. Yes.
Okay, and I'm going to take the implant. Yep. Yep. There we go. And I'm going to place an implant. I can actually see inside the patient's mouth. It's even got the drilling sound. Okay, now I'm about to grab the intraoral scanner. I'm grabbing myself a Trios handle grip, and I've got to scan the jaw. It's asking me to do the lower.
Now look the screen. Click on it.
Amazing experience. This is, I guess, just some of what you can see at IDS. This amazing technology. So thank you so much, Lyra.
You're welcome.
That was amazing. Thank you.